The courtroom doors swing open. Judge Vunderby enters the bench with a commanding presence. The room rises in silence. Case number JVB 10064, Adams' case, is officially in session. Mr. Adams wastes no time. He's here for one reason: more child support. Right now, he's receiving barely above minimum wage, about $213 a month, for their 5-year-old daughter. The judge leans in. Does Mom contribute anything else? Adams doesn't hesitate. Nothing, he says flatly. And that's when the case takes a turn.
All rise. Support court with Judge Vunderby is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1064, Adams' case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Adams?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, I've decided that I need a little more money a month with the child that we have, so that's why I'm here.
All right. So currently, how much are you receiving?
I think it's about minimum wage.
Okay, so about, what, $213 or so?
Yeah.
Something like that?
Yes, around that area.
All right. How old is the child?
She's 5.
Okay. Does Mom give anything extra? Has she been doing anything extra?
No. Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
So how did you all get to this point? She's on minimum wage.
We learn that the mother, once employed, quit her job. Why? Adams isn't sure. What he is sure about is why they separated: abuse. He recounts a disturbing moment. She hit him because he didn't microwave her food. The judge is visibly surprised. She looks so sweet, she says. But Adams warns she can play the funk. The tension in the courtroom tightens. The judge, half joking, makes sure Mom's not about to strike her too.
Child support, was she working previously?
She was working previously, and then she quit the job, I want to say. I can't really get that backstory out of her. But we had to separate, Your Honor. I couldn't do it anymore.
You couldn't do what anymore?
I couldn't be with her. She started to get very just abusive for what it is. My breaking point, she went upside my head because I couldn't put her food in the microwave.
Oh, wow. This lady did that?
Your Honor,
she looks so sweet.
No, you darn near need to get the bailiff in here. I can't. She's very abusive. She can play the funk.
Oh, okay. You're not gonna throw nothing at me, are you?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. Well, he said you went upside his head. I just want to make sure you don't try to go upside mine.
It was a rough day that day. Your Honor, I'm diagnosed bipolar, and I was just having a really rough day.
The mother admits it. Yes, she hit him. But she blames her mental health, her bipolar disorder, and a stressful day with a crying child. When the judge asks if it was an isolated event, Adams doesn't flinch. No, he says. Dozens of times. The courtroom air grows heavier. She responds with something unexpected. She still loves him. She says she wants to work things out and has just landed a new job.
And our child, she was just really just crying all day, and I just needed a little bit of help, and he was just saying he couldn't help me at home, and so that's why I just kind of acted out.
Oh, okay. So it was an isolated incident?
Huh?
Was it an isolated incident?
I'm sorry, when she get her foot going like that, I just... Say it again.
Was it an isolated incident?
What do you mean, isolated?
Like, did that happen one time?
No.
She's gone upside your head numbers of times.
Numbers.
Okay.
Numbers, dozens.
It's because he let my medication, I was off my medication, and he said he couldn't pay for it because it was too expensive, but I'm back on my medication now, and he said we were going to try and work things out. I still love him. I mean, look at him.
She's now managing a fast food restaurant, pulling in $55,000 a year. It's a big step up from minimum wage. But she's also deep in debt: credit cards, medical bills, and mental health treatment. She claims she can't pay more child support. The judge listens, but makes one thing clear: $213 is not enough for a 5-year-old. The room goes silent. The mother nods, acknowledging the truth.
He's a fine-looking man, and I love our child. And
He's a nice-looking guy.
I really want to work it out, and I just got this new job. And
tell me about that new job.
Well, I'm a manager at a fast food restaurant.
Okay.
And I'm trying to get back on my feet, and but I got a lot of debt, so I have to save that money, and I don't feel like I can pay more child support right now.
How much are you making now at your new job?
I'm making $55K.
55,000. That's a lot from where you're at now.
I didn't have anything before, and I just have a lot of the credit card debt.
Okay.
And health debt, with my medication and my visits.
I understand. You understand that he has things that he needs to pay for you all's daughter, right?
Yes.
And I can only imagine $200 or so for a 5-year-old is not.
Judge Vunderby lays it out. If your income increases, so should your support. The father covers ballet lessons $200 a month and pays $222 in health insurance. Mom doesn't attend ballet. She's restricted to supervised visits. That fact speaks volumes about the past. The judge presses forward. The financial numbers are about to change, drastically.
Couldn't it?
It's not.
You understand that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So it's only fair that your child support is increased because your income has changed and you have the means now to support your daughter a little bit better. Now, that's not to say, I understand that you have debt. I understand that you have things that you have to pay for, but with what's in the best interest of the child, your child support should be increased. You understand that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Is your daughter involved in any extracurricular activities or anything?
Yes, she's in ballet.
Ballet, okay. How much is ballet?
It comes to about, I want to say, about $200 a month.
$200 a month? Okay. And she goes throughout the year?
Yes.
Okay. What about health insurance?
I pay health insurance.
All right. How much is health insurance?
It's about $222 a month.
All right.
With a new income of $55,000, the judge recalculates support. Based on the guidelines, child support increases to $780. Add $222 for insurance reimbursement, and the total obligation hits $922.80 per month. The courtroom is quiet. The mother nods again, this time slower. The financial weight is sinking in.
Can mom attend any
No.
ballet? No?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Okay. Oh, okay. I see. So mom had supervised visits?
Yes.
Okay. Interesting. All right. So this is what we're going to do, ma'am. We are going to adjust your child support so that it increases to reflect what it should be based on your new income. You testified that your new amount was $55,000. That would bring your gross to $4,580, bringing your net to $3,504. You only have one child? This is your only child?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that's going to be based on 20%, which brings your child support amount to $700.80. Now, you do have to reimburse dad for the health insurance.
Then a curveball. Mom brings up a used car sold to her by Adams. She calls it a junk car and says she just spent $750 in repairs. She seems desperate. The judge listens, then shuts it down. This isn't a divorce case, she says firmly. It's irrelevant. The courtroom is reminded. Today is about the child, not car deals, not the past, not failed love.
Okay, so that $780 plus the $222 for health insurance reimbursement, that brings your monthly obligation to $922.80 per month. Okay, you understand that?
Can I just mention one thing, Your Honor?
Sure.
Reggie, he's a used car salesman, and he sold me this discounted car, and it's just a junk car, and I've been having so many bills from this car.
Okay.
And I just had it in the shop, and it was $750.
All right.
Because it's just breaking down, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to afford all this, because he's the one who sold me this and said it was a good car.
So what
Your
did
Honor,
you want me to
defense,
do about it?
I sold her that car.
Well, here's the deal. I don't even need your defense because I didn't need her story. It doesn't have any impact.
The final order is clear. $922.80 a month. The judge is done with distractions. No questions, no objections. The gavel doesn't drop, but her final words are the last note in the courtroom drama. This court will always do what is in the best interest of the child.